Today, Timor-Leste has officially marked a historic milestone in labor mobility and international cooperation. Today, the Secretariat of State for Vocational Training and Employment held the official signing of the Declaration of the New Zealand Recognized Seasonal Employer, or RSE, program.
We gather here to mark the departure of our workers who are about to embark on a journey to New Zealand under the Labour Mobility RSE program. This journey is not only a personal milestone for each of you, but also a significant step for your families, your communities, and our nation. You have been carefully selected for your skill, your dedication, and your characters. You go as a worker. More than that, you go as ambassador of our country. Through your hard work, discipline, and integrity, you will represent who we are and what we stand for. RSE program is more than employment abroad. It is an opportunity to gain new skills, experience different cultures, and build professional relationships that will benefit you long after you return your home. Knowledge and experience you gain in New Zealand will contribute to the strengthening workforce and supporting in our nation, Timor-Leste. To our departing workers, as you prepare to abroad, I ask you to remember three things. Work ethic. New Zealand, much like the team led by the Mr. Mateo Gibbs at MBA, value integrity, punctuality, and hard work. So then the resilience of the Timorense spirit. Conduct. You are now ambassadors. You behavior in the community, how you treat in neighbor, and how you respect in the law of New Zealand will determine the future of this program. Financial wisdom. You are going to the young New Zealand, but also to build our nation. Think of your families here in Timor-Leste. Save your funding so that when you return, you can invest in your future and our nation's economy. To the families, your sacrifice and support make this journey possible. Your strength, patience, and encouragement are the foundation behind today's success. We thank you for trusting this program and for standing behind your loved ones. We also acknowledge our partners and the government of New Zealand for their continued cooperation and commit to safe, fair, and mutually beneficial labor mobility pathway. This partnership strengthening not only our economy but also bonds between our people. As you depart, go with confidence and pride. Carry our values with you. Return with new skill new perspective and renewed purpose. On behalf of 9 Constitution Government to Sefope, I wish you safe travels, success in your work, and rewarding experience in New Zealand. Congratulations, and may the journey open the door, brighter future for you and us all. Thank you.
Obrigado Barak pa oportunidade atu hello Leo Farm pada sera iha da DNA. Oloron importante teves no positivo, pa iha relação entre Timor-Leste no Nova Zelândia. Iha sexta-feira, semana irene, significa teves, tamba trabalhador sera dahuluk sai arranca pa Nova Zelândia. Hau hakarak Hatan tan katak sexta-feira, nei mos Lauren Waitangi, Lauren Nacional Armenia. Itanea Governor, through a concorda, ona atu implementa programa mobilidade laboral irene, atu apoia nação ida. Esquema irene, se ajuda empregador, sera iha Nova Zelândia, atu hitan trabalhador biak, husirai irene. Nomos se ajuda aumenta rendimento para o povo Timor-Leste, niam, no desenvolvimento, habilidade, serviço niam. Na marca compromisso e para desenvolvimento Timor-Leste niam, maybe, a mi hain kata se continua no bud liu iha tina tua mai. Nuda pati husi irene, importante temas para Nova Zelândia, atu ajuda ema ida, Navy, para serviço iha Nova Zelândia, atu hitan sucesso. Mas que irene liu husi rai ossa. Liu husi desenvolvimento habilidade sera. Liu husi hamatan itanea ligação cultural no relação entre povo sera. Itanea esperança, hateni hakarak o katak na mata, iha compromisso bo ida, ba ida nei, ma atu fa atenção, hanasan ba desenvolvimento, e mania no reintegração, lao state ba recrutamento no hitan serviço. Mobilidade laboral na área ida date, nevi, Nova Zelândia programa compromete atu apoia Timor-Leste. Ami mas contente, tamba a iha programa, sera nevi, forte, iha área, sera tua mai, educação laboral, sera iha idade kik, inclui Universidade Lafayette, policiamento comunitário, café, agricultura, nos especiais sera, la clara katak, bolsa de estudo. Hau hakarak hatutan agradecimento que se governa Nova Zelândia, a Secretaria de Estado, para suporte no ba unidade de trabalho niam LSU. Ba unia assistência, potu ba malmet, no ba etnia empregador sera durante fulan 18 liuba. This program has been a decade in the making between Timor-Leste and New Zealand, and I'd just like to take a moment to thank all of the people that came before us, who have worked extremely hard and who were able to achieve an agreement between our two countries in support of the development of Timor-Leste, but also in support of the economy of New Zealand. Matt has been part of the New Zealand RSE journey almost from the beginning, and I think he and I were both involved back in 2007 when the program was first launched in New Zealand. And it's very pleasing to be here with my friend as we launch the program in a new country with Timor-Leste today. Processo iranei lao hodiak, transparente, no responsible, no hateni katak empregador sera, apreciativos bod, otonebi, halo ona atu apoia sera. O grupo trabalhador iranei mak grupo piloto, emimat embaixador para eminia nação. I wish you well on your journey. Maybe any mos say sai aminia convidado sera no tamaneg, how hakarak vermata, how mea leo farm, how leon Maori, in a nevi common laws. Hiaha te mea nui o te ao. He tangata, he tangata, he tangata. Sari mak buat, nebi importante, leo iho mundo. Mak emasera, mak emasera, mak emasera. It is people, it is people, it is people.
This moment is special, significant, because it confirms that Timor-Leste will send its very first batch of workers to New Zealand, meaning for the first time ever, Timorese seasonal workers will legally work in New Zealand under the RSE scheme. Now, the RSE is a New Zealand program that allows approved employees to hire seasonal workers from partner countries for short-term jobs like fruit picking and packing. And the program is expected to open new opportunities for Timorese workers through overseas employment, skills development, and income support for families back home here in Timor-Leste, while also strengthening bilateral relations between Timor-Leste and New Zealand. With this declaration signed, Timor-Leste's RSE journey officially begins, and the country now prepares to send its first workers to New Zealand on the 6th of February. Marking a new chapter of international labor cooperation.